Every summer, from Memorial Day to Labor Day, roads become more dangerous than ever. Fatalities related to teen drivers skyrocket, changing what should be a time of fun and freedom into one of tragedy and loss. This season is known as the 100 Deadliest Days. Every day of these 100 days, more than 16 drivers are killed in a vehicle. This is a 17% increase compared to the rest of the year. Yearly, 5 million families in North America are impacted by vehicle collisions. Distracted driving, speeding, and neglecting to buckle up. These are the silent factors haunting our roads. Introducing the 100 Safest Days, presented by the Safe Roads Challenge, a new take on transforming these 100 deadliest days into the 100 safest days for young drivers. How will we make this work? With Safe Roads Challenge, our rewarding solution to changing distracted driving into mindful driving, engaging competitions, exclusive rewards, and a wide range of gift cards, all designed to make safe driving fun. Our focus is recognizing and reinforcing your positive driving behavior. We geo-mapped communities in North America to find past teen driver-related events, turning these locations into 100 Safest Days pins. We've also placed pins in popular summer destinations, such as beaches, theme parks, and city centers. When you drive safely past these locations, you will be entered to win. We can't make this work alone. The 100 Safest Days is about teen drivers, but we need everyone's support to make this mission a success. Parents, educators, officials, really any individual will make a positive difference. Driving with Safe Roads Challenge will not only help you improve your driving skills, but also make the road safer for everybody, especially young drivers. Join us in making the 100 Safest Days a reality. Together, we can drive safely and prevent lives lost on the road, because you deserve to have a safe and fun summer. Download the app today.